Hey YouTube, welcome back everyone to my channel. It is a beautiful day for some menudo. So we are going to get started with some menudo. We're going to get started on cooking the patas first, and they're going to cook for about 2 hours. 1 hour, Mom? An hour and a half. My mom is in the house and she's going to help out to make the menudo. We're going to try to make it her style. I'm going to please her, even though my husband's like, girl, you better do your recipe. And I was like, I cannot fight with my mom. So let's get to it. Hey YouTube, welcome back everyone to my channel. I am so excited to share. My mom is going to make her recipe, menudo. Right here we have an onion that she put. She washed the menudo. She used casita. ¿Cómo se llama el otro, mom? Casita? Librito and callito. Okay, and we have the pata. So she cooks the pata for an hour and a half, and she's over here already cutting up all the garnish that's going to go on the top. And ooh, here's my nails. I'll be working on my long nails, so after this video you'll get to see my long nails. Okay, so she put toasted chiles de árbol. You don't have to toast them yourself. You can buy them from the market, you guys. They're already toasted. And they are fabulous instead of smoking out everybody from your house. Okay, so right here she cooked the maize separately. We used purple. And she didn't want to mix the flavors together. So she put this on the side. This is something new I'm learning from her, because I do it totally different. I put everything together, but she doesn't like to mix in the flavors. So here we have the maize, and she cooks it separately for about 3 hours itself. And then over here, she's got all the huesos and all. So remember, we're gonna cook the huesos for the bones for an hour and a half. And then you can go ahead and cook the maize, the hominy on the side. And then over here, she has her chilies that she already peeled, and we're gonna blend. So in there's a piece of onion, there's 4 guajillos, there's 4 California, and there's 1 pasilla. And she left them soaking with hot water, and then when she's ready towards the end, she blends it. But right here she's gonna set everything up. As you guys can see, she totally does it really different, you guys, I have to admit. But I just tasted it and it is bomb. Totally different of what I make, but I love it. It's delicious. You guys got to try the recipe. Here she already rinsed it out, and she's gonna fill it up with water. So you want to cover everything to start cooking. And that is her on the background smacking her teeth because she's really enjoying her menudo. She wanted since last week, and now she got to do it. So it's really, really yummy. Right here, this is el pasote. I've never cooked with it, so this was quite an experience for me. This was really tasty, really yummy. There goes the onion. There goes 1/4 of the other onion. And she puts a whole head of garlic. There we go. ¿Cuántas hojitas verdes le echaste adentro para cocer? Dos. Dos, Mom? 4. She threw in 4 bay leaves, okay, you guys? Ya les dije. And right here, she went ahead and blended her chilies. And it's in here, you guys. And then she used the strainer, you guys. Don't forget to use your strainer. You don't want none of those pieces of the chili in your broth. And look at this. Voila. 3 hours later. Yummy. It looks wonderful. She used 1 teaspoon towards the end of California molido. And then she used 1 teaspoon of comino molido as well, as you guys can see. Oh, and here are my new nails. I know, I'm so excited to share. I'm gonna go on my TikTok live in a minute, and let's see who likes my nails. They've got dragons, and yes, they are super long. So we're gonna go ahead and garnish this plate. My mom's gonna eat her first plate, and yes, that's Pachuco, I believe his name is, or Pacheco, or Pachanga, one of those names. But I love it. My mom loves my nails. She said they look totally Lunar New Year's Chinese. She helped me with the stickers. It was a lot of fun spending time with my mom. And here she is preparing her plate. So she's going to put a little bit of the hominy. She's going to go ahead and do some of her meat and stuff, as you guys can see. And then she's going to put onion for garnish, cilantro, her little chile de árbol, and then she's going to put some oregano in here. She warmed up herself 2 tortillas, and there it is. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys, and don't forget to like and share.